Hi, how can I help you?
I think my wheels have a vibration. Can you fix them?
Yes, we have the latest in wheel repair innovations, the Xtreme wheel repair machine. I believe I can help you. Can I have your keys, please? Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
All right, we're here today to show you how to use the Xtreme wheel repair machine. What we're going to demonstrate now is what we call a top repair. So what we're doing is we're coming underneath and we're keeping the roundness of the wheel and we're securing the bottom, so when we put the pressure on the top, the wheel will actually bend back into place. Now these rams are 10,000 psi of pressure. So if you're looking at the bend itself, as I push down with the ram, you can see the wheel push back into shape. So basically, as you can see, the wheel has come back into shape almost to 100% true in that area. So I want to explain these two bars. There's actually two metal bars here. This bar has a smaller opening for steel, a larger opening for aluminum, and then we have another bar. This is our larger bone, and it has a large opening there and a large opening here as well to get into different nooks and crannies of the wheels. What we found is that when you're doing a wheel repair, if you have an area a little further down than your normal repair, you would use this other tool, but for intents and purposes for the moment, we'll show you how we just kind of hook this onto the wheel and pry forward to get movement out of the wheel. There are some times, in some cases, where we'll actually use heat by torch, usually in acetylene bottle. And now I want to show you if we want to get a little lower on the wheel itself. You use this bone here. Just allows you to get different angles than what you got before, and depending on the wheel, depending on its character, you can use different sides of the tool, and we can keep doing that as much as we need to get it right back where we need it. So basically, that's how we use the top ram. That's how we use another tool to correct an issue. So now let's talk about the Xtreme bar. This bar is designed for extreme bends and wheels. If you've got a wheel that doesn't want to move, this is your muscle. And basically, you apply it however you need be. But if the wheel has like a bend on the bottom like this, you actually can put the product like that, and as you can see, it moves like no tomorrow. It moves up, moves down. You can turn it around. You can also put the Xtreme bar on the face as well. And sometimes, if the wheel has a huge impact down below in the center, you're able to move this piece in however you may want it. Maybe there, maybe there. You can also come up on the lip and be able to move it there. But basically, the Xtreme bar is your best friend in a lot of circumstances. What we're talking about here is the bottom air jack. And basically, what we've done is we've secured the top of the wheel so that it won't move up here at the top. So when we move the air jack from the bottom to the rear side of the wheel, it's actually going to straighten this side of the wheel. But what we found in the past is if you did it without this little piece, you ended up with a flat part of your wheel. So to retain the actual contour of the wheel, we put this in place. And we push this jack right up next to the machine, bring it up right underneath of it, which causes the wheel to retain shape as well as to straighten the wheel because of the force of the top piece. And then basically that's how we repair a wheel from the bottom using this jack, as well as it's good for support when you're doing any other kind of repair from even the pulling ram to the top jack to the side jack. Anytime you can use any of the hydraulics in conjunction with each other, you're going to come out with a better repair. So now we're on to what we call the side ram. This is a pulling device. It's designed to take a wheel that maybe has a large impact, curb mark, curb bend, and we're actually going to pull the wheel outward. Another thing you need to know is that when you're doing a repair, it's not necessary to completely pull all at one time the dent out. You can do it in real small increments, and you can hear by how the jack is working and by putting different pressures on it, how it actually works when it's doing a wheel repair. And this is how you use the side hook tool. So basically what we're doing here is no longer needing the top ram. We push that out of the way. We're onto the side ram. And when we were just doing the pulling event, sometimes you can overcompensate your pull. And if you do, or your wheel actually is pulled out in this direction, you can use this ram and this tool to push the wheel back in. Now we're going to demonstrate that. You can see how the wheel actually moves inward with the force of this product. You can move it in or out as far as you want. So now we're on to center bent wheel issues. We all know we have egg-shaped style wheels out there. When you spin it on the balancer, what have you, you have a wheel that's not around. Well, the only way to contend with that is actually straightening from the inside out. So what we've done is we've designed this block here with very stable bearings, shafts, and steel. It's all intricately designed and very strong and sturdy to uphold all pressures from you pushing and pulling on the product. So we have our rams here, which are universal. They can be moved around in a lot of different directions. But what we're going to do is we're going to slide this ram into this area here. And after that, we'll place our wheel over the top of our machine, and we'll be able to push with pressure from the inside out to take care of the out-around bends. Also, another neat feature about this is that we've designed it so that it can work on both sides. Meaning, if a wheel is out-around on one side, it's probably out-around on the other side. So you could actually take your two rams, put them into their areas, and drop your wheel over the top of the product and push on one side and push on the other side at the same time, being able to give you an absolutely true wheel. So now what we're going to do is put a wheel on that has an open hole so we can actually watch this pushing on the wheel's bend axis. Okay, and now we're going to the pride of the machine. The machine, the center portion that actually unbends the outer round rims. When a wheel is bent on the inside, it's very difficult to get any tools on the inside of a wheel. Basically, we've designed into our block, as shown earlier, how the ram actually fits in the block. What we're going to do now is we're actually going to show you how this product stretches that aluminum out and allows it to repair that bent wheel. Watch. This is our control valve center. This is the center that operates the machine. Basically, all these hydraulic parts are operating through air over hydraulic. There's no electronics to this machine. It's all air operated. So basically, you put your air to your system down below, and you follow your diagram up above, and when you release the valve, the hydraulic unit will move as you present it to move. There's two different hydraulic options. One is a foot peg, and the other hydraulic option is a hand controller. The hand controller is a little bit more expensive, but it can be more convenient in different ways. So basically, this is our Xtreme wheel repair machine. Today we've shown you how to straighten wheels by using it. with the pulling ram, the 2 bones, the Xtreme wheel bar, the inside ram, as you can use simultaneously with the exterior ram, or the above ram, or the bottom jack. There's many different ways that you can dual wheel repair. Good luck, and thank you for watching. Great news, ma'am. We got your car all ready. You needed 2 wheel repairs. That's $450. How would you like to pay for that today?
Credit.
Okay, great. Thank you very much. Here's your card and your keys. Have a great day. Okay, chrome wheel sealer and rust inhibitor is a product that we developed to seal wheels that are chrome plated and has peeling effects on the inside of the wheel. The wheel itself needs to be sealed from air leakage. So this is a product and a kit that we have. The cans are available separately, or you can buy the whole kit to do the wheel seal product. And when it's done, it's a black type of a tar film that will seal the wheel forever.